In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit avatars in HeyGen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your avatars, how to open them for editing, and how to review helpful details like insights, activity history, and transcripts so you can refine your projects with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the HeyGen app homepage. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Avatar. This is your central hub for anything related to your avatars, and it's the quickest way to jump into editing or organizing what you've already created. To zero in on what you've worked on most recently, click Recents. This view is great when you're bouncing between projects and want to pick up right where you left off. If you need a broader view of everything available, click See All to open the full avatar library. This makes it easier to scan through your entire collection. At the top, you'll see a search bar. You can search here to instantly pull up a specific avatar by name or keyword. Clear, consistent naming pays off, so consider giving your avatars descriptive titles to make searching effortless later on. When you spot the avatar you want to update, click on the avatar to open its detail page. You'll typically see a preview along with options tied to that avatar. From here, click Edit. This opens the editor where you can make the adjustments available to your account and avatar type. Depending on your setup, that may include updating the avatar's name or thumbnail, refining appearance or presentation details, and preparing it for use in your videos. Keep an eye out for any preview options so you can confirm changes, look the way you expect before you use the avatar in a project. If you see a save or apply button, use it to lock in your changes. Many areas also autosave, but it's always smart to double check. Next, click Insights to review helpful information tied to your avatar's use. Insights can surface patterns about how and where the avatar is being used, which helps you make informed tweaks for future videos. Then, click Activity to view a timeline of updates and usage. This is especially useful for teams as it shows what changed and when, keeping collaboration transparent. Finally, click Transcript to review the spoken content associated with this avatar's videos. Reading through the transcript is a fast way to spot phrasing to refine in your next edit. That's it. Navigate, search, edit, and review. With these steps, you'll keep your avatars organized, polished, and ready for production.